Greetings family, welcome and welcome back to my kitchen. Come along with me as I prepare a simple dinner for my family. I'm making Janjaro with vegetable rice. For this recipe, I'm using light red kidney beans. I soaked the beans overnight before boiling them. To make the stew, I heat some oil in a large pot and fry the onions. Once they start browning, I add the tomatoes and keep stirring until the tomatoes have broken down. At this point, I add the cooked beans. There's not enough oil in this, so I add a little bit more oil, followed by the spices and seasoning, and mix to combine. Feel free to use your choice of spices, but if you'd like to use my spice combination, I'm using vegeta, coriander powder, paprika, cumin powder, garlic, thyme, and salt to taste. All the quantities can be found in the description below, so be sure to check them out. I let this simmer on the lowest heat setting for 15 to 20 minutes, stirring halfway through this time to prevent it from burning. I now adjust salt to taste, give it a minute to blend in, and just like that, our bean stew is done. I cooked rice and cooled half of it to make some vegetable rice. In a pan, I heat some oil and add the vegetables. I also add salt and black pepper to taste. Once the vegetables are cooked to my liking, I add the rice and stir until everything comes together. If you enjoyed this recipe, please like, comment down below and share this video with your friends and family. Your support means so much to me and encourages me to keep sharing traditional recipes, new ideas, and the flavors I grew up with. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new recipe upload. This is all I have for you today. Thanks for watching and bye for now.